Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Caleb. So the first thing I want to address is the noise that you're going to hear in the background. I am 3D printing the face shell for the new Spider-Man suit I'm going to be making for Spider-Man No Way Home. And that suit is the TASM 2 suit. Yeah, I'm really excited to make it. I was going to make the integrated suit. I made an Instagram poll and that's the one that won, but I realized I don't like the integrated suit so much that I'm going to make it before the movie. And so I'll probably just make it after the movie, that or the black and gold suit after the movie. But I decided on the TASM 2 just because it's such a classic look. I honestly think it's the best cinematic Spider-Man suit out there. And yeah, it's just because like the lenses are big. I mean, like the colors are definitely spot on. The textures are amazing. It's just like, it's awesome. And the movie is great. But also, I'll be able to wear that to No Way Home because Andrew Garfield is going to be appearing in the movie. And yeah, so now I'm just going to break down exactly how I'm going to go about making it. Now I made a Spider-Man suit before. Let me just get that for you guys and show you what it looks like. Oops. Okay, so this is the Spider-Man suit that I made before. While it wasn't terrible, basically it's a mix between so it's the TASM 1 suit with the TASM 2 webs. As you can see, it's kind of in shambles and destroyed, and it's falling apart. But one thing I learned from this suit is puff painting texture like this throughout the whole suit, and like, let me get another spot to show you guys the blue. And like texture like this, while it looks cool and it feels nice, like it's a really nice texture, it pretty much takes the stretch out of the suit. And so this neck, it's still stretchy because it has, it's just puffy painted black lines right here, but the back isn't stretchy at all. It has that texture again, and it does look cool. Mind you, it looks really, really nice, but it just completely takes the stretch and mobility out of your suit. So like, unless you really stretch it out, which I haven't really tried, just with this experience, I'm not going to be doing that again, fully texturizing it. Like, I might try it again, just not in this suit. And then another thing that I found is these shoes. So basically what I did is I just got some slippers that had like actual soles, cut them off and glued them on, and something that I found is that if I don't put an actual shoe inside the suit right here, it's like really the structure is just gone and not there. But other than that, the shoes are fine. And then something else that I'm going to do differently is let me grab the spot on the suit to show you guys. Okay, so basically right here where this red part here connects to the glove, I'm going to make this top part of the glove and the red part fully one piece, and then the back is just going to have the other glove piece. Just because it looks a lot more streamlined. And then another thing that I'm going to try to do is, I didn't figure out how to sew the ends of the zipper, or the zippers, so basically I was stuck with this, and I just had to like tuck it into the suit, kind of janky, just like, let me try and actually even do that, I don't know if I can. Yeah, we'll just leave it out. So it was really, really just janky, and the suit's all falling apart completely. It's just really poorly made. So since I'm gonna have a little bit longer of a time period, this one I cranked out in my winter break. I got all the stuff for Christmas and I just cranked it out. This one, the TASM 2, since I'm gonna have 3 months to make it, since the movie doesn't come out until December, I'll be able to make that a lot better. And another thing that's I'm gonna do differently with my TASM 2 suit. Sorry, I'm really just rambling on and confused with my words, and my hair is going everywhere. So something else that I'm going to do differently with this suit is I'm going to be 3D printing components. So I've got the face shell being 3D printed right now. That's one piece. Then I'm going to print the second piece tomorrow and the third piece the next day. But yeah, and I'm going to 3D print the lens frames, maybe even the mesh that goes in the lenses. If I can get a really smooth finish on that, I will do that. I probably won't, but I might. I just might. And then it'll have 3D printed web shooters, and the spider emblem will be foam. The front one will be foam, just black plastic dipped, and the back one will just be puffy painted with a stencil. So yeah, those are the new things that I'm going to do with that suit, and then just basically make it more heavy duty and stuff. And yeah, so let me just grab the fabrics for you guys and show you those and the names and where you can get them, and I'll link that all in the description for you guys. So yeah, let me get that. Okay, so this is the red fabric right here. Basically, it's a stretch jersey. It is a little bit see-through, but I'm totally fine with that. I'll be wearing stuff underneath, so it'll be okay. And I think it's 2-way or 4-way stretch, not too sure, but it's pretty stretchy. It's good. The only complaint that I have with this is it's not that comfortable. It's okay, like I'll tolerate it because it's all I've got right now, but I would definitely go ahead and buy some tricot spandex, and I'll link that in the description for you guys as well. But here's the blue. It's the exact same stretch jersey, just in a royal blue color right here. Again, literally the exact same stretches. Yeah, I think this is a 4-way stretch. But yeah, those are the fabrics, and then basically I'll just be sewing it all together, and then I will be puff painting it. The lines, first I will Sharpie it, and then I'll puff paint it with Tulip Slick Puffy Paint. Basically this is what it looks like right here, and that's just Tulip Slick Puffy Paint, the paint that I'll be using. And yeah, but don't expect this suit to just be cranked out really fast. What I'm going to try to do is crank out the fabric part of the suit, just like the base costume. I'll crank that out before I move, and then once I move, we'll just go full gung-ho until December 17th when I go watch the movie with this suit fully on. Cosplay's ready and done. But yeah, so stay tuned for next week's video. It's going to be just the first part in me patterning my suit and then cutting it out of fabric and maybe even doing some sewing. I'm not too sure. I need to figure out the timing and how long that's going to take and how long the video is going to be and all that, but yeah, it's just going to be part 1 of the suit. And yeah, like I said, I won't be posting that frequently. I'll try to get one video out every week. If I can't, you know, it's just know that it's because I'm moving and stuff, but I can't really make stuff, but I will try to get a video out every single week. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.